The power of sound and intention is real. You are here to consciously shift your energy, as negative thoughts and external noise can create a dense vibration within your energetic field. Sound healing is about resonance, because everything in the universe vibrates at specific frequencies. Introducing a focused, high-frequency sound encourages your own energetic state to shift upward, releasing lower vibrations like fear and anxiety. We are utilizing the 11 and 11 Hertz frequency, often called the divine frequency. It is associated with awakening and alignment, helping to clear mental fog and promote profound inner peace. It acts as a sonic broom, sweeping away energetic debris. From a neurological perspective, this frequency encourages the brain to synchronize with the sound, shifting from high-frequency beta waves associated with stress into calmer alpha or theta waves. This process helps deactivate the amygdala, the brain's fear center, allowing the prefrontal cortex to regain control for better emotional regulation. We are done with the theory and are about to go into the meditation. Please get comfortable, take a deep breath, and prepare to relax. I will guide you every 1 minute. Minute 1. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, imagine anchoring yourself to the earth. The 1111 Hertz frequency is now working to stabilize your energy. Acknowledge any negativity you are carrying, but do not cling to it. Just observe it and prepare to release it. Minute 2. With the frequency continuing, bring your awareness to your body. Where are you holding tension? In your shoulders, jaw, or chest? Visualize the 1111 Hertz sound gently dissolving those tight spots. Let your breath become slow and steady. Minute 3. As the sound deepens, focus on your thoughts. If anxious or negative thoughts arise, visualize them as clouds passing in the sky. Do not engage with them. Let the 1111 Hertz frequency act as a gentle wind, brushing those clouds away, leaving your mind clear and bright. Minute 4. You are now in a state of enhanced receptivity. The frequency is bathing your cells, promoting a sense of calm and clarity. Feel the resonance in your chest. You are disconnecting from the external noise and plugging into a state of inner harmony. Minute 5. Take a deep, conscious breath, bringing the clarity of the 11 Hz frequency into your physical body. Gently begin to wiggle your fingers and toes. Carry this sense of calm and energetic cleanliness with you as you slowly open your eyes. Thank you for taking this time to cleanse your energy and disconnect from negativity. I hope this 1111 Hz frequency has brought you peace. Please share your experience in the comments below.